All right, guys. Monday afternoon, Kensley got a package she's been waiting anxiously for. It's from Mrs. Naet Helias, and I may have got that wrong. The guy, she reached out to me and she wanted to make Kensley a handmade thing here, and Kensley's fixing to open it up and see what it is. What does that say there, sister?
Trapper's Rock.
That is so cute. It's a stand for it. Oh.
What do you think, kiddo? That's pretty cool, huh? The wood burn in there. I think I think there might be something else in here too.
Yeah.
What's that? Is it a card?
Yeah.
What's it say? Read it out.
Kensley, great luck in your trapping trips. And then it's her name. I have no idea how to pronounce it.
Nanette.
What do you say to her? Thanks.
Thank you.
All right, guys. I got a package in too. I'm kind of excited about it. Let's get Kensley out of the way. Shoot. Get out of here. Go on. Take it to your room.
Wow.
Her husband is the president of the New York Trappers Association. And if you guys are interested in that board, here's her name again. And she can be found on Facebook. And she hand makes those muskrat board plaques and wood burns animals onto them. She can do any animal that a kid would want. She asked Kensley what animal she wanted, and Kensley picked an otter out. So that's what Kensley got. But if you guys are interested in having some of those made for your kids, or know someone that would like having one of those boards, get a hold of Miss Nanette, and she can make one for you as well. I want to say thank you again, Miss Nanette, for making that for Kensley. Guys, I got a package here too I'm excited about, and it's a package from a good friend of mine, the Muddy Trapper, and it's some homemade lures that he's made. Wicked Gland lure, some liquid, two different kinds of liquid castoreum and beaver lure. I'm excited to give both of those a try. So North Alabama, and then castoreum plus. And then he's got a gray grabber right here, and I've got some gray. I want to pick up some gray foxes here at the house, so that's exciting. Then a midnight snack cherry. I'll open this one up just to check it out, and man, it's a really sweet smell. I almost want to try some for a midnight snack. But anyway, guys, I'm excited to try these out. Kensley's excited to get her package, and thank you, everybody.